Hi, this is Mark Harrington from markharrington.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about using private label rights, and I'm going to do it as a case study on a Marketing Must-Haves pack I bought last week. It's currently on launch, and I'm a bit late to write a review. So rather than write a review, I'm going to show an unboxing of the product that I bought, and then just talk through what I'm going to do with it. So let's just start off with, there's my receipt. So I bought the front end and the upgrade, which was a whole series of other products. So let's just go to a picture of what is in here. So what was in here, the main thing that what really attracted me was these top 10 mistakes, top 10 tips, which is this lot here, and then a course on product launch, on something that you can use as a course for product launch. So that's what attracted me. So let's go to the site and we'll go through the processes that I've been working through. So here I've actually bought a lot of Alice Seba's products. So I really like her stuff. It's good quality stuff. And these are the two packs that I bought. So this is the front end, so we're going to pull that, and basically what I've done is a long list of stuff to download. So the trick here is just create a folder on your desktop, download them all, and start unboxing it. So I've done that. So here are the downloads for that front end product. There are 1, 2, 3 folders to do with the marketing mistakes. We'll go into each of them. There are 2 folders to do with the newsletter. And then there is a marketing top 10s folder, and there's a product launch folder with graphics and a product launch pack. So let's just go through these one by one, and then let's talk about what I'm going to do with them. I'll start with the newsletters, and I'll go the order in which I did it. So marketing newsletters. There are a bunch of articles. These are the articles that are actually inside the newsletter. So building customer relationship, common networking mistakes. So one can just turn these into blog posts. Simple step. Or let's go back a level. Let's go have a look at issue number 1. The issues are presented in 3 different colors. And just decide which one you actually want to use. And let's just have a look at what these look like. So it's opened up in Word. These are Word documents. So there's clearly some work to do here. So I'm going to, so these are worth sending out as part of an emailing list. So I've started a project board. So we need to format the newsletters. So for which we need a logo or a newsletter title. We need to put our name in, which is easy enough. A photo. Put your photo and a title, and then it's just a question going through here. So there's clearly stuff that needs editing in here, and then you decide whether you like the images or not. And with all good private label rights, it's always worth changing them up a bit. As my quick scan of this is the English is actually quite good, and then you can add in your own promotions into the bottom of the newsletters. And this newsletter has got 2 articles in it, so it's actually quite a nice newsletter to be adding into your mailing list. Send them out maybe once a week. So there's clearly a work there. So we're going to format the newsletters. So we need a logo, we need some promotions, and we need titles. So branding. That's good. And then we're going to schedule into email series. And those are enough tasks for dealing with the newsletters. Let's go on to the next part of the bundle. So we've talked about newsletters. Let's talk about marketing mistakes top 10. So let's just go and look inside and see what we've got. Now we can see there are actually 4 article areas, affiliate marketing mistakes was the one that I started with. So we'll just pop in there, and what do we got here is we've got an opt-in page, we've got e-covers, we've got the report images, and we've got the article itself. I've downloaded the article. It's the book, and it's nicely written. Mistake 1, 2, 3. In fact, this is, as I scan down here, you find that it is pretty well complete. There are a few links in here which you might want to turn them into affiliate links if you want. There is actually no branding in here at all, so it'll be worthwhile putting some branding in with links back to the website that it came from. You might want to put some promotion material, but just a link to what you do next would be a good step. That's a tidy enough product to put out. Let's just step into the opt-in page. The opt-in page, there's an opt-in template, instructions. So the opt-in template is WordPress ready. So you just grab this code that's in here. I'll just go and open it up, just grab this code and stick it into WordPress. Now, as it happens, I started doing this, so let's just add another card. Here's who we need to create the opt-in pages. So we can decide on WordPress or other landing page builder. So as it happens, I have a website called, or a domain registered called keymistakes.com. It's been in my head, and this just lends itself really well to adding it in, to building it out as a vehicle for all of these products. We've got 4 in here, and then there are quite a long list in the other areas. So let's just go and jam across to there and have a look see. So you can see here's keymistakes.com. I've logged in. I've created the one post. Top 10 affiliate marketing mistakes, it's called. I've created as a post rather than as a page. And there's a bit of work one needs to do to get it right. And the work is, so this is the paste. So this is what you get when you put it all in, when you cut and paste that stuff. And then the visual stuff, all I had to do with this was to create this web form here for going to my autoresponder. That's a very simple process. I just go GR web form, choose the web form that I've created, which means I have to have it created. So we've got to go across and create a web form in GetResponse or in your autoresponder, and then just stick it in here. And I've done that already, so I don't need to do it. And there's clearly some stuff here that's not too pretty. Let's just see what it actually looks like if I load it up. And this is a brand new WordPress website which I built yesterday. So there's the picture. It's pulled up the picture automatically. I've not had to worry about the hosting of that picture. It's been done for me already. There's the form I've created. You'll need a bit of work to do too. It's better to have the colors lined up. And you can see that it's not so pretty. I don't like this. And I've put in my own stuff down at the bottom. So this web form is ready to go. What I need to do now is to go across into my autoresponder. So I've created a list. It's called Key Mistakes. Here it is, Key Mistakes Affiliate Marketing. There has no members and it has no emails. So I need to go into the autoresponder and start adding emails. So let's just add that into so we want to do set up AR series for emails. And the first email of that needs to, the download link, I need to download lead needed. So there's a task is to create a PDF of the download the download article. and upload to hosting. So there I will have, so we'll pop into autoresponder, create an autoresponder, and off we go. So let's go back to so we've covered that. And now we can do the same for each of these. So we can either just turn these as being blog posts related to the topics, or actually have specific opt-in pages for each of them. Right, so let's go to marketing top 10s. What do we got in here? Oh, this has got some more stuff. Top 10 marketing books, top 10 marketing podcasts. So this is basically all the same. It's basically the same structure. This is just a compilation of a whole series of marketing must-haves. So we've go across to product launch. What have we got in product launch? Now, what do we do with product launch? Product launch, we can see there are four logical steps: recruit affiliates, plan your launch, plan your offer funnel, and run your launch. And then there are tweets that are related to each of them. Let's go into each of them. There's a checklist. This is really neat. Checklist affiliate recruitment. Here it is. I can see immediately what I can do with this, and let's just write down that task as to what I want to do. Is I go back to here, is I can create a product launch course. For me, that will go onto my membership site. Create a product launch, add to membership site, and the first part of that is to make a video using each of the checklists. The beauty about those checklists, we'll go and pull them up again, just pull them up quickly. The checklist is that it's got the big steps, get known, a little bit explanation, and then the detail steps. This lends itself really nicely to maybe a 10-minute video, and just create a script using these words, and then use Vidnami to create a video. And that could be the lead video, and then you put the documents that are underneath. So we go back into here, so we're doing affiliate recruitment. We put the document here, the affiliate recruitment document, as a PDF into the course. We can choose later to make it as a video. So that we want to convert the course reports into PDFs and upload. And then, of course, as we go through that, converting the course reports into PDFs, we'll add our own links and add our own branding. And always smart on PLR to add your own story. All right, so there we have, in summary, what I can do with this private label rights product. I can format the newsletters and send them out, schedule them into an email series. I could create an opt-in page. I can create lots if I choose to, or just use one and then use the other materials as a flow of giveaways to add content to your series. We'll set up the autoresponder series. We'll put an appropriate mix of promotions and information into there, create the PDF for the download article and upload it to the hosting, and then clearly just got to link that into the autoresponder series, create a product launch course and add it to my membership site, make a video using each of the checklists to front end each module in the course. There are 4 modules in that course, so we'll have a video at the front end and then the PDF. So we'll convert the course reports into PDFs and upload. And then the last thing to do is that we want to use the graphics provided to drive for social media posts, to drive traffic. So there we have an outline of how to use the product based purely from my first unboxing of the product. There is a lot of material here. I really like the quality of what I've seen in the product, and for the $54 which I paid for the 2 modules and $17 for that front end, I've only shown you the front end. That's for $17. This is amazing value. I appreciate your time and wish you good luck in using any private label rights that you might purchase.